So relation between object distance, image distance and focal length of a curved mirror. Here U represents object distance, V represents image distance and F represents focal length. In this figure we consider AB is the object and this is the image produced by a concave mirror. Here we draw a perpendicular on the principal axis BP from point D. The name of this point is E. Clear? So from the first these two triangle, from triangle ABC and from triangle BCA. C is the capital. From BCA, here angle BAC equals to angle CAB, as AB and this AB are parallel to each other and AA is the intersector, so they are the alternate interior angles. Next, these are 90 degree and these are also equal as they are opposite to each other. So as both are same by angles, so we can write that AB, that is AB by AB equals to BC by BC. Okay, that is the height of the object by height of the image equals to distance of the object from the center equals to distance of the image from the center. Next, similarly, from triangle BAF and from triangle DEF, from this triangle and also from this triangle, again these are same, BA and DE are parallel, this DA is intersector, 90 and opposite angles, so they are similar in nature. So from the law, DE by AB equals to EF by FB. Now as AB equals to DE, so you can write AB instead of DE or in place of DE equals to, again E and P are very close to each other, so we can write FE as FP or EF as PF and this is FB, giving it equation number 1 and giving it equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, AB by AB equals to BC by BC and here AB by AB equals to PF by FB. So we can write BC by BC equals to PF by FB. So BC by BC equals to PF by FB. Now we have to find out those distances. First, BC. So BC is the distance of the object from the center. We can write it as PB minus PC. CB equals to PB minus PC. So PB is the object distance. It is in the opposite direction of light, so we will write it as minus U. Minus PC is the radius. So in our last equation we proved R equals to 2f, relation between radius and focal length. So PC is the radius equals to, we will write minus 2f, as this is also in the opposite direction of light. So equals to minus 2u plus 2f. Similarly, in case of PF is the distance of the focus from the pole. So equals to focal length, again it's opposite to the direction of light, so minus f. Next, BC equals to PC minus PB. BC equals to PC minus PB, that is distance of the center from the pole minus distance of the image from the pole. So PC equals to minus 2f and PB equals to minus V. PB is the image distance. So minus 2f plus V. And next, FB. Here FB. FB is the distance of the image from the focus, equals to distance of the image from the pole minus PF, distance of the focus from the pole. So PB equals to minus V and PF equals to minus F. So minus 1 plus, these are the 4 values. We will write it. So BC equals to minus U plus 2F, BC equals to minus 2F plus V equals to PF equals to minus F and FV equals to minus V plus F. So let's cross multiplying it. Minus U plus 2F into minus V plus F equals to minus F into minus 2F plus V, or plus UV minus EF minus 2VF plus 2F square equals to plus 2F square minus VF. So plus 2F square plus 2F square. So UV minus EF minus VF, so minus EF minus 2VF plus VF equals to 0, moving it from right to left, or UV minus EF minus VF equals to 0, or UV equals to EF plus VF, dividing both sides by UVF. Now 1 by F equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Separating it once. So this is the relation between image distance, object distance and focal length. 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. We also can prove this relation for convex mirror also.